All right, we're out here, private track, getting ready to rip it. Hopefully everything on the bike is tight, good to go. I don't rattle any bolts loose, because I'm not the best at remembering what I tightened, what I didn't. No, I'm kidding, everything should be fine. But yeah, we got some. Actually, right away, the only thing I did not order as OEM part was this kill switch I found on eBay, and it just right away where the mounting tab goes just snapped off. So we're down a kill switch, but we don't need it. Let's hope for the best. We got mixed up some. We got VP 110 mixed 32-to-1 with H1R, no, not the H1, HP2 from Honda, the blue oil, and should be good to go. It's clean for now. Let's see how he starts. It's been a while. I started it. Choker now. Nah, I'm gonna choke it. So this thing has so much compression. It will only run on the high octane fuel. It's got like 130 psi of compression. So try to do this with one hand. Whoa! First kick. That's good. So we just got done. I think the bike's broken in by now, and man, it's so much better than when I first rode it. Everything on the bike is good. I mean, I just touched the clickers a little bit. The suspension was done by cr250 suspension. This is the, I think, 2008 cr250 front forks that I thought I was gonna have a lot to do with messing with the balance of it, since that wasn't the way it, was stock, and they apparently rode real good stock. Almost perfect. Literally just touched clickers a couple, softened the front a little bit, and that was it. Really good bottom resistance, much better than it was before. The rear shock is a 96, but I rode with the 95 that was kind of, just stock or whatever, and it bottoms pretty easy. I'm riding on a track. I mean, this is the first ride after it was built, but first thing I noticed when I rode on this track was the suspension was so good. It soaked everything up perfect. That was a huge thing that I noticed. The motor felt strong before and feels good now. I think it was just a little lean off the bottom, had a little bit of a ping, which we adjusted. Turned the air screw in almost all the way, and running the VP 110, I guess, kind of helps it run real crisp. But gearing is good. I think this is maybe stock size. I don't really know. Let's see what size sprocket I got. It's been a while since I ordered parts. Can't get it into gear. Where is it? 52. Front brake is real good. Good. A 280mm front rotor. Super responsive and feels really just like what I'm used to on my 2017. And that was one of the things I noticed right away, was how good the brakes were on that new bike. But yeah, man, this thing with these tires, fresh tires, the MX3S's, I think that's what I got. Yeah, hooks up good. It's kind of sandy out. It just rained yesterday, so it's kind of tacky sand. But man, this bike is fun. Runs good. I think it'll be pretty reliable. The whole motor is new. I hope I broke it in okay. Hope I didn't go a little too hard on it at first, but I think we're all right. These foot pegs are much better than what came with. This titanium stock Yamaha pegs that bolted right up. Might even need to sharpen them just a bit. I don't know if you could sharpen titanium like normal, but much better. My feet were sliding off, falling off from the vibration, I guess, too, with those other stock pegs. But yeah, we'll get it cleaned up. It'll look good again. But yeah, that was it for the first ride. Real excited, real happy about how it rides. I think it's definitely a good contender in the races, even with the modern bikes for sure. All right, thanks for watching.